Okay, so I'm going to do number 3 of the 3.6 independent practice. Okay, first of all, I'm going to try to see if there's any common factors. There are none. So I can go ahead and multiply A times C. So that's 49 times 8. So that equals 392. Now 392, the factors of 392, when you add them up, have to equal negative 63. So I know both of the factors are negatives. So I'm going to start at negative 1, negative 392. Now, guys, I know that when I add those two, it's going to be too big, 393. So instead of doing 2 and then the factor, 392 divided by 2, 196, 2 and 196 is still too big. I'm going to split this down right in the middle. So I'm going to try maybe 392 divided by 14. So that is negative 14 and negative 28. I just tried a number in the tens. Okay, you can try 12, you can start at 10, you can start at 11, and then go to 11, and then go to 12, and then 13, and then you'll find that 14 is the first factor that actually divides evenly into 392. And the reason I want that is because I want a smaller number, negative 63. These are too big. Okay, so 14 plus 28 is 42. So that's negative 42. Now, from negative 393 to negative 42, we know that there is a number between here, okay, between here, that is going to be negative 63. I've come too far. So there is going to be something between negative 1 and negative 14. Okay, that is going to satisfy my condition of negative 63. So let's go ahead and find that. Okay, so I'm going to go backwards. I know that 392 is not divisible by 13, 12, 11, and 10. So let's go ahead and try 9. Nope, 392 divided by 8. So 8 works. So negative 8 and negative 49 work. And when you add them together, you get negative 57. Still too small. Okay, so 392 divided by 7, negative 7, and negative 56. So when you add those two together, you get, bingo, negative 63. So we found our factor. Okay, so let's split up that middle term into negative 7n and then negative 56n. So that becomes 49n squared minus 7n minus 63n. Oh, whoops. It's too early in the morning. 56n plus 8 equals 0. Well, let's group them up together. And instead of factoring it out and doing the way that I did it, Michael has been teaching my kids, thank you, Michael, that whatever you factor out, you put it below. So you put 7n here, and then you can put negative 8 here. So that way you can just divide it. Okay, so I have 7n, and when I do that, 49n squared divided by 7n is 7n, and then we have minus 1, and then when I factor out a negative 8, I get a 7n minus 1, because when we do plus n divided by negative n, we have negative 1. So, guys, we have 7n and 7n. This is our goal. Okay, try to have a factor that's common. When I take that out, I have 7n minus 8 left. So let's go ahead and split it. So 7n minus 1 equals 0. So n equals 1/7. And 7n minus 8 equals 0. So n equals 8/7. And that's our final answer. Good job.